Welcome back, dear Treky Tours fans, to another vlog. Today we are going to show you what we saw the day we went to visit Dar es Salaam city, but especially when you arrived at a beach named Coco Beach on the Indian Ocean. Please subscribe, share, comment, like if you feel pleased or dislike if not. Welcome again. We head to Dar es Salaam. From far to far by a very long way, to never get bored because of many distracting things around you. Many are new to you, others you are understanding because you've been told and now you are witnessing them by your own eyes. Kigali to Dar es Salaam. After 24 hours from Kigali, Dar es Salaam city came in front of your eyes. On arrival as a Rwandan, you are amazed by the four-wheel motorbike called Bajaj. We picked one to carry us to the Indian Ocean.
Coco Beach. Hey. Sawa sawa. Anarudi mpaka huko. Mpaka huko anarudi. Mpaka haya mawe. Mpaka kwenye mawe. Unaona huko? Mpaka huko anarudi. Kwa nini yanaenda kule? Yanaenda huko sasa, wao wanasemaga kwamba yanasafiri maji. Kishafika muda fulani yanasafiri. Kwa sasa kisha fika kabisa kaja mpaka hapa. Ona hadi huko. Inashangaza. Kwa bahari inahama inarudi. Inahama inarudi.
Here, the guy who was giving us a ride in the Bajaj was explaining to us the way ocean water rises at night and falls during the day. Something really strange to us. Not that we arrived in the morning hours. The waters were very far from the beach, like 800 meters. The reason why the following scenes contains images of objects that usually stay underwater during night hours. monsters of different colors have one thing in common. They have many legs looking like spiders. We even found many shells that house the crabs at a young age. When the ocean level goes down, those animals hide in those rocks. As you see, they are very swift. Some of them are as big as a tennis ball. But they are very fast running away into the rocks. Those are underwater ocean rocks. Those are underwater plants, but because now the water level is down, you can see and touch them closely. They look like grass, but when touched, they feel like algae. The salt in the ocean water also left us amazed. I've heard that it is salty, but the level of concentration went beyond my expectation. You can't use it to cook because of high salt concentration. Let me now give a word to my travel partner as she wants to express her feeling about this trip.
Mu by'ukuri kuva Rusumo kugera hano ku nyanja y'Abahinde, ikintu cyanshimishije cyane ni uburyo hari
From the Sumo borders to this ocean, I saw many things that are naturally beautiful. Forests with good trees, bushes, valleys, Jehovah's creation, not man-made. Very interesting. Even if here are things that are man-prepared, they all are based on Jehovah's creation. This place where you see us sitting and walking is soon going to be filled with water because we are already at the evening. Even this supper place you see us standing is going to be covered by water. Other thing that I would like to tell you about this place and Dar es Salaam city in general is that it is very hot. Oh my God! When standing in water during the day, you feel like, oh. I told you, water level is going to rise. Now we come back at 5 p.m. All the rocks are covered, even the beach area is almost occupied. You can't dare stand in the place where we were in the morning. That's all that we can tell you about our trip to Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. We were very curious. Maybe you knew many of the things you saw in this video, but I am sure that those living in landlocked countries with no access to ocean or sea can benefit a lot from watching this video. My partner and myself learned greatly, even if we didn't fully grasp everything. Please subscribe and share as we plan to give you many more videos about travel, animals, and other subjects in the future. Share, like, and comment. Ciao, ciao.